Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is June 12th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. Today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 6 points to 28.81 per contract. All in all, the futures did give up their early gains yesterday, but they've had a big meteoric run over the past week. So again, to see some pullbacks here is not unusual. We'll see what we get today. Now, in the meantime, we have some economic data out. You could check all of that out for yourself, but we are going to focus on stocks in the news. First one we're going to take a look at today is going to be a Tesla. TSLA is the ticker symbol. Looks like they had their annual meeting, and the stock right now trading at $223.50, closed at $217.10. So nice little uptick there. You're going to see Tesla after hours went all the way above 228, now settling back in. I'm not sure I see this getting a whole lot higher today, but nonetheless, it's holding up, and it's had a really good rebound from the recent lows of around 180. So again, Tesla holding up pretty well today after the annual meeting, and we'll see what it does. Right now, we'll have to look at this one once the opening bell rings. I don't think there's much to do with it at the moment. Next up, we want to take a look at the trade desk. TTD is the ticker symbol there. Stock today was downgraded. It is now trading at $237.30. This has been a high flyer. It's been a little bit overbought on the daily chart, but it's been a major winner in 2019. Today, the stock, though, is getting hit a little bit. It closed at $249.36, now trading at $237.30. So you got a little haircut there. We'll look at this one as well once the opening bell rings. Right off the bat, I don't know how far this can fall. So we're going to keep it on the radar. We'll see what kind of patterns develop. But again, this is a market-leading industry group, so we always want to watch the leaders of the pack whenever they do decline. Next up, I want to take a look at Lam Research. LRCX is the ticker symbol here. This was downgraded as well today, now trading at 183.07, closed at 189.90. So this is a pretty good little haircut. A level I like for this today, though, is around 175.25. I don't know if it gets there, but this stock now moves in big measures. So just be ready for that if it does get down there. We'll look at it as well once the opening bell rings today. Next up, I want to take a look at CSCO. CSCO. It looks like this was downgraded as well. Stock is trading at $55.95. CSCO closed at $57.11. So you got a little bit of a haircut there. This stock has also been very strong as of late. The trend remains up on all time frames. You did have a little daily chart double top here, and again, it looks like it's stalling out there. So good little pullback today. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. A level that gets me interested, though, for a day trade would probably be around 54.25, and then I do like the 53 level. So keep both of those levels on your radar today. We'll see how it plays out. Next up, we want to take a look at EAT, which is Brinker. Stock right now trading at $40.47, closed at $39.95. So good little uptick there. A lot of resistance around the 42.60 level for EAT. Here we have an earnings play, the only one I see out here, PLAY, which is Dave & Buster's. Stock is trading at $42.60, closed at $51.53. Ouch, this is a pretty ugly haircut. I think there's a lot of support, though, down here around the $40 level. You can see that's where the pre-market low was, so we'll see how that plays out. But after earnings, you always got to be a little bit on guard, a little bit careful. But I do think there's probably pretty good support around that $40 area. Let's do one more here. Mattel. It looks like they're in the news. The company rejected another offer from MGA Entertainment. So the stock right now trading at $11.40, closed at $10.81. I see a lot of intraday resistance around $12.30 if it does get there. So keep that on the radar today. Let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures getting a bid today, up 6.5 points at $1,337.60 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that's trading at 125.89, closed at 125.20. So reflecting a little uptick there. And again, gold holding up very well lately. I still don't think we're about to break out to new highs on gold, but nonetheless, I do think if we consolidate, we can break out to new highs. All right, let's take a look here. Crude oil. Crude oil is getting hit today, down $1.44 to $51.83 a barrel. That is an ugly move in the pre-market. Let's take a look at the USO this morning, trading at $10.80, down from $11.10 at the close. So oil under pressure today. We'll keep an eye on this. We'll let you know what we see. Right now, I'm not seeing all that much. Oil has been weak, even though it has rebounded over the last week or so. It has been very weak on the charts. With that being said, everybody, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've got lots of moving parts out here, lots of economic data. We have lots of geopolitical news, so get ready. Things are pretty much heating up for a nice move one way or the other, but we'll be prepared for it. So again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You could trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading session. We'll see you a little bit later on the charts.